Lamborghini announces an all-electric future will have an electric motor. All electric future vehicles will have an electric motor. All future vehicles will have an electric motor. All future electric vehicles will have an electric motor. Obviously, electric vehicles. This is not surprising because parent company VW had really aggressive EV goals and timelines. So many other automakers have done similar. I think Mercedes did something similar. A lot of German companies are making these type of claims. Let's see here. Lamborghini announced that this year is going to be its last for purely combustion engine vehicles. Starting next year, we'll only introduce vehicles with electric motors, starting with hybrids and plug-in hybrids. Oh, okay. Okay, I see what this is. It's not going to be all electric right away, but there will be some form of electric motor in there. For a long time, the Italian supercar maker has dismissed the idea of battery electric vehicles. So back in 2018, they say one thing, and then they say something else. But everybody says something else eventually, including us. Like today, we might be, please don't tell me about NFTs anymore. And then a month from now, we'll be like, launching Willie Do Limited NFT. Welcome to Douville. Willie Douville NFT.
Not a bad name.
Willie Douville. Minting 10,000
reasonable
at 0.75 ETH.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's not too bad. Get in while it's hot. Actually, don't do that. Use your money wisely.
Oh well, easy. Jeez, man, you got all. You
got
scared.
To be responsible.
You got scared
here.
There for
not
a second.
Not financial advice.
No, it's like, listen, that's the way things go. It's the way the world works. Otherwise, you'll never be saying anything. I always hate that when it's like, you flip-flopped. Well, yeah, the circumstance changed. And
people change.
Well, not just people, but also circumstances.
Sure.
You say, I'll never have, electric cars will never be a choice for me. And then some company launches one that's better than some other car in every single way. And you're like, oh, yeah, they could be. Or all of a sudden there's charging stations everywhere or whatever. Like, it's good to admit that you were wrong about something.
Sure.
And to move towards a more productive path. It's great. Say, hey, man, I was wrong about that prediction. Sick. Now we're going down this road. I mean, obviously, ideally, you want to make accurate predictions, but I think we all need that ability to.
Too much pride gets involved.
Ego. So, social media. They bring up the old tweets. They're like, wait, Maurizio, I remember when you said you would never have a battery.
You loser.
Our target is to deliver a super sports car, and these specifications don't exist with a battery package in terms of energy and power. That's what Maurizio said originally. What do you say now, Maurizio? That's how Twitter sounds.
Let's cancel them.
All of Twitter sounds that way.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Now you like electric? Okay.
With the head movement.
I don't know why my head has to move that way as well. Anyway, I applaud you guys for being capable of changing directions. No matter what you think about the electric thing, it's the way things are going. You will have an Aventador hybrid in 2023, a Urus plug-in hybrid in 2024, a Hurricane hybrid in 2025, and an unnamed all-electric model by 2028, according to the CEO. So times have changed. Things have changed. Change is guaranteed. Everything changes. Always.